What is sprain? A sprain is an injury to a ligament, which is the tough tissue that connects bones at a joint. It occurs when a joint is twisted, stretched, or bent too far, causing the ligament to be stretched, partially turned, or completely turned. Symptoms include pain, swelling, bruising, and a limited ability to move the joint, sometimes accompanied by a popping sound.
Good morning, everyone. For our PE, we're going to play the funnel. What is the funnel? It is the traditional Philippine.
Tos, lob, suka, ang mulupad, taya, sigop, kamot.
No! Oh my gosh! What happened? I hurt my ankle. Don't know. For first aiding a sprain incident, we're going to use the right method. R for rest. Don't put weight and keep it still.
I for ice. We'll put ice pack, or you could also use cold compress and apply it on for 15 to 20 minutes to reduce the swelling. C for compress. After the cold compress, we'll wrap it lightly with an elastic bandage or any clothing for compression, but always remember not too tight. E for elevate. Keep the leg raised. Elevation helps the swelling go down.
And that's it for the right method. R for rest, I for ice, C for compress, and E for elevate. Sprains are common. Just rest for today. If it gets worse or you can't walk tomorrow, tell your parents to see a doctor.
What is strain? A strain is an injury to a muscle or tendon, often called a pulled muscle, where the tissue is stretched too far and tears, which can be partial or complete. Symptoms include pain, swelling, bruising, and difficulty in moving the affected area. Causes can be sudden force, overstretching, overuse, or repetitive motions.
Plus, each one of you must do a warm-up lap before doing some activity.
My hamstring, the back of my thigh, it's painful.
Okay, don't force yourself. Let's go to the side. Walk slowly.
It hurts. Is everything all right there?
Mom, I think we're still got a muscle pain.
Okay, let's take care of it properly. It hurts when I stretch.
To do first aid for a strain incident, first, stop the activity. Don't run or stretch muscle now. Second, cold compress. Ayala, get the cold compress. Then apply.
Place the cold compress on the painful area for about 15 to 20 minutes. It'll help the swelling. Third, light compression. We can wrap it gently if needed. Lastly, rest. Don't push or stretch the muscle today. It needs time to heal. If the pain continues tomorrow or gets worse, tell your parents and maybe visit a clinic. But for now, just rest.
Thank you, everyone. I'll be more careful next time.
O kay tagal